So exercise 6.2, 14th problem C here. The question is given, find the least value of a such that the function f of x is equals to x square plus ax plus 1 is strictly increasing in the interval 1 comma 2. It is given that this is strictly increasing in the interval, so find the least value of a. So when it is strictly increasing is nothing but we need to find out the f dash of x. F dash of x is greater than 0 in that particular interval. F dash of x is greater than 0. Directly I'm writing. So f dash of x, what we get here? 2x plus a should be greater than 0. And what is the least value of a is the question. So what do you get here? 2x is greater than minus a लिख सकते हैं because we need to find out the a value. Minus a. X should be greater than minus a by 2. X value should be greater than minus a by 2. So therefore, we have to find the least value of a such that x greater than. X value compulsory lies between 1 comma 2. The x greater than minus a by 2 is given. So here what to do here? Least value of a we need to find out for the increasing function. So what is the least value of a? A value least value find out करो तो x का least value लेना because x is greater than minus a by 2. Minus a by 2 से ज़्यादा है and 1 less than x less than 2. X value compulsory should be greater than 1. So ये greater than 1 होना है and 2 से कम होना है and a by 2 value is less than the. So what is the least value you can take? Minus a by 2 is equals to 1 if you are taking. Then a is equals to minus 2 because the least value of x, whatever it is there. So even a equal to minus 2. If I take a equal to minus 2, what do you get? A equal to minus 2 here. Here a equal to minus 2 substitute. What do you get? Plus 1 you are getting. Minus 2 substitute. X is greater than plus 1. हमको यही चाहिए ना, x is greater than plus 1. So completely a equal to minus 2 हो गया तो we are going to get the first condition. If a is equals to minus 2.5 if it is taken or minus 3 if it is taken, a value minus 3 if you are taking, x is greater than 1.5 आएगा. Yes, कभी भी ये सही है, कभी भी ये सही है. But here the least value of a is asking you to find out. So that's why a is equals to minus 2. Least value of a is minus 2. Minus 2 whenever it is taken, then the value is we are going to get it. Okay. So coming to the 15th problem next. Fifteenth one. Let I be an any interval. Okay. Interval disjoint from minus 1 to 1. Means except to minus 1 to 1. Prove that the function given by f of x is equals to x plus 1 by x is strictly increasing in I. I is what? An interval disjoint to the minus 1 to 1. It is a disjoint to the minus 1 to 1. So disjoint to the minus 1 to 1 means it is not minus 1 to 1. So then minus 1 to 1 nahi hai, so what is the interval? Minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to plus infinity. In this interval, I is equals to, you can say that disjoint from this interval is nothing but this interval. Okay, so here it is given that I be the any interval disjoint from this interval. 1 minus 1 to 1. So other than the minus 1 to 1, any interval can be taken. So now here what is given? It is increasing function. Prove that this function is increasing. So f of x is equals to given to you as x plus 1 by x. So then f dash of x is equals to 1 minus 1 by x square. You are going to get 1 minus 1 by x square. And f of x, f dash of x is equals to 0 you take. This implies 1 minus 1 by x square is equals to 0. From this x square is equals to 1. This implies x is equals to plus or minus 1. So this, the point x is equals to 1 and minus 1 means completely this is defined in real numbers, real number line. So x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to plus 1 divides the real line into 3 disjoint intervals. So what are the 3 disjoint? Minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 1, 1 to infinity. In these 3 intervals. So now here we need to check that in these 3 intervals, this function, it is not a linear function as we have checked previously using the Webby curve method use earlier. So instead of using that, so interval is given that interval first will let us take minus 1 to 1 interval, let us take. X value lies between this interval. So minus 1 less than x less than 1. Then in this interval, what you are going to get, x square is always less than 1 we are going to get now. In this interval you are going to take means it is positive and less than 1. So that is nothing but 1 is less than 1 by x square we are going to get. That is nothing but 1 minus 1 by x square is less than 0 we are going to get. That is nothing but 1 minus 1 by x square is nothing but f dash of x is less than 0. So this is decreasing function in this interval. Okay, in this interval it is decreasing function. Now we have to check the, it is what, minus infinity to minus 1 interval and as well as 1 to infinity interval. So minus 1 to minus infinity means x value should be less than minus 1. All negative numbers. Or if you can take our x1 is less than x value should be greater than 1. ये situation में तो अब 1 situation let us take it. In both the situation, x value less than 1 if you take, x value is greater than 1 if you take, x square value is greater than 1 only you are going to get. If x is means if you take here and 1 to infinity, both intervals you take into consideration. ये इंटरवल में x वैल्यू लेस देन 1 होगा, ये इंटरवल में x वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 1 होगा. In both the situations x square value क्या होगा? less than minus 1 is nothing but minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2 का square means 4. So 1 से greater than होगा पक्का. X square value should be compulsory greater than 1. Even if you take x value greater than 1 also, 1.1 you take. 1.1 you take. 1.1 whenever you are taking, 1.1 whole square means 1 point something only you are going to get. 1.21 we are going to get. So like that we are going. So compulsory more than 1 you will get x square value. So 1 is x square value is greater than 1, then 1 is greater than 1 by x square. From this what you can say, 1 minus 1 by x square is greater than 0. 1 minus 1 by x square is greater than 0. So is increasing because we are getting that. Okay, did you understand here? Okay, let us move to the 16th question next. Prove that the function given by f of x is equals to log of sin x is increasing in the interval 0 to pi. Okay, log of sin x. log of sin x in the interval 0 to pi by 2, it is increasing, and pi by 2 to pi, it is decreasing. Very simple question here. F dash of x is what here you are going to get? 1 by sin x. And sin x differentiation is, again you need to do the differentiation of the sin x, that is cos x, which is equals to cot x. Cot x in the first interval in 0 to pi by 2, first interval, cot x is greater than 0 implies f dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore, f of x is increasing function. Because you know that in the first quadrant, cot x is positive, all are positive. So in the second quadrant, minus pi by 2 to pi, cot x is less than 0. This implies f dash of x is less than 0. Therefore, f of x is decreasing function. It is decreasing function in that particular. This is very simple question. It is nothing else. 16. समझ में आया? Nothing is there in this. Now coming to the next question, 17th also, prove that the function f of x is equals to log cos x is strictly decreasing. Log cos x is nothing but minus tan x you are going to get. Minus tan x is negative in the first quadrant, so decreasing. Minus tan x is positive in the second quadrant, so it is increasing. So 17th question also very simple here, not difficult to you. And coming to the 18th one, prove that the function given by f of x is increasing in the interval. So it is always increasing बोल के prove करना है. Very simple question here. So how do you say that always increasing? If it always is for any value of f of x is equals to, it is given to you as x cube minus 3x square. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100 is increasing in the interval R. Now what do you get here from this? F dash of x is equals to 3x square minus 6x plus 3, which is equals to 3 common ले लो, x square minus 2x plus 1 आ जाएगा, 3 into x minus 1 whole square. X value whatever you take, it is whole square, is always greater than 0 for all x belongs to the real. It is always greater than 0 because whole square it is there. So therefore, f of x is increasing. It is increasing function. Greater than 0 हो सकता है, equal to 0 भी हो सकता है. It is greater than 0 हो सकता है, equal to 0. So whenever you are taking increasing function, you can consider. When do you get f dash of x is equals to 0? If x is equals to 1. If x is equals to 1 का place में, it is equals to 0. So when you observe that the graph of x equal to 0, x equal to 1 substitute करो here. If you substitute here, f dash of x equal to 0 आ जाए. So f dash of x equal to 0 का 1 का place में, it is neither increasing nor increasing. So f dash of x is equals to 0. So this is an increasing function. Okay. So coming to the 19th question, in the interval, in which interval y is equals to x square e power minus x. X square e power minus x. Increasing function. In which interval this is increasing function is the question. Interval you need to find out. So what you have to do here, this one, f of x is equals to, it is given that x square e power minus x. Let us consider this one. So f dash of x, what do you get here? F dash of x is equals to x square e power minus x is nothing but UV means प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई करना है. x स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन 2x माइनस e पावर x माइनस x स्क्वायर e पावर माइनस x माइनस x स्क्वायर इंटू माइनस वाई डी गेट इसका डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस आएगा ना. सो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट माइनस. सो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट e पावर माइनस x इंटू 2x minus x square. Yeah, 2x minus x square. So dy by dx is equals to, so here f dash of x is equals to 0 you take. F dash of x. F dash of x equal to 0 implies x value can be here. If you want, you can take the x also common here. E power minus x, x common level 2 minus x. X value if it is 0, f dash of x is 0. And x is equals to 2. Also f dash of x is equals to 0 in remaining places. So it is going to divide the intervals. So x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. X equal to 0 and x equal to 2 will divide the real line into 3 disjoint intervals. 3 disjoint intervals minus infinity to 0, 0 to 2, and 2 to e. In these 3 intervals, how it behaves, you need to check. Isn't it? The question is asking to you to where it is increasing. So in what interval it is greater than 0, you have to check it. So in 3 intervals you are getting. So in the interval minus infinity to 0 and 2 to infinity, e power f dash of x is always less than 0, because in minus infinity to 0 and 2 to infinity, e power minus x is less than e power x is positive. E power x is always positive. E power minus x is always positive. X value whatever you take. E power minus x is always positive. And in these two intervals, you try to take this part. 0 से less than 0 you take. इधर नेगेटिव होगा, इधर पॉजिटिव होगा, तो नेगेटिव हो सकता है. तो एंड x into 2 minus x is less than 0. ये पॉजिटिव है, ये नेगेटिव है. So this implies that f dash of x is less than 0. This is always positive. E power minus x is, this e power minus x is always positive. So our concentration should be on this function. तो इधर आप चाहे तो if you want you can apply the what wavy curve method apply कर. But wavy curve method apply करते समय you should be very careful that x 2 minus x दे दिया. Is 2 minus x into 2 minus x is greater than 2 value if you take negative आ जाए. So आप कर्व इधर से लेके जाना like this. So in this interval it is negative. Negative है, in this interval it is positive है, इधर negative. See why? Because here and here it is negative, we here positive. So that is only we are going. But here whenever you take that, it is negative. E power x is positive. So that's why f dash of x is negative. F dash of x is negative 1. So in 0 to 2, e power x is greater than 0 and x into 2 minus x is also greater than 2. Then this implies f dash of x is also greater. So here it is, this implies that f of x is decreasing in this interval, in these two intervals it is decreasing, and f of x is increasing in 2 to 0 to 2. In this interval it is increasing. 0 to 2 में increasing function है, remaining intervals में it is decreasing. Did you understand? Increasing functions and decreasing functions, how do we find out?